Hello, my name's Adrian Cockings and you're watching Keystyle TV. And today I'm going to take you around this beautiful modern 3-bed, 2-bath villa here in Sucina. First of all, let's check out the outside area. You've got this beautiful 7x4 pool, you've got lots of area for lounging and relaxing, and if you follow me upstairs, we'll go and check out the solarium. Here you've actually got 2 level solariums. You've got one down there perfect for storage units or even solar panels if you wanted them. And this large dining area slash lounge area is also ideal for soaking in the sun. You've got east facing orientation, but with this solarium you're getting all day sunshine. Coming into the villa, you've got these huge sliding doors which lets in a lot of natural light, but you can also use the front entrance which is just to the side of the kitchen. The kitchen comes fully kitted with all white appliances which adds a nice modern feel to it. The main countertop leads directly onto your dining table, or if you wanted to eat al fresco, you can take the food and up onto the solarium. The living room has a nice warm, cozy feel to it, and because it's open plan to the kitchen, you're always going to be entertaining whilst you've got friends over. And here is your master bedroom. As you can see, you've got plenty of space, fully fitted wardrobes with an extra one to the side right in front of your ensuite bathroom. This is your first of 2 spare bedrooms, plenty of space for a double or 2 single beds, and you've got these sliding patio doors which lead out to the back of the property on all the bedrooms. It also comes with a fully fitted wardrobe and an air conditioning duct system throughout the property. Well, that's it from me here today in Sucina, but if you want any more information about this exclusive villa, make sure you check out our website at www.keystyleproperties.com, and make sure you like, comment and subscribe to keep up to date with all the latest property videos. Well, my name's Adrian Cockings and I'll see you next time. Oh, that's soft.